What happens when an employee receives consistently negative evaluations because of poor work performance and her company wants to terminate her? Let's take a look at employment at will. Employment at will provisions give employers the right to terminate or hire or transfer employees at any time unless it's illegal to do so. Firing someone because of his or her membership in a protected class would be considered illegal. Firing someone because he or she is not performing the job or has violated company policy is allowable. Essentially, under the employment at will practice, there's no contractual obligation to which either an employee or the employer must adhere. Either party can terminate the relationship at any time for any legal reason. Wrongful discharge and terminating an employee for illegal reasons or for reasons that the courts have found to be inappropriate for discharge are known as exceptions to the employment at will doctrine or common law claims. These exceptions include the following. First, the public policy exception. An employee can sue if he or she was fired for a reason that violates public policy. That is, if his or her company acted in bad faith, malice, or retaliation. Next is the implied employment contract. An implied contract is one that is inferred, orally, written, or otherwise, by the conduct of the parties involved. Telling employees that they will not be fired as long as they do their jobs is an example. Policies printed in corporate employment manuals can also constitute implied contracts. Finally, the implied covenant of good faith and fair dealing. Employers have an implied contractual obligation to act in good faith towards their employees and vice versa. If an employee has been promised a bonus and then is fired so that the company does not have to pay the bonus, the company would not have acted in good faith and fair dealing. Employment at will, known as EAW, is a common law doctrine stating that employers have the right to hire, fire, demote, or promote whomever they choose, unless there's a law or contract to the contrary, and employees can quit at any time with or without notice.